Folks, the big iced tea taste test is history, and the clear winner is Louisiane. In Atlanta, it's Louisiane over Lipton, 65-30. In Birmingham, 67% prefer the great taste of Louisiane. Louisiane's secret? Louisiane just tastes a whole lot better. See how satisfying iced tea can taste. Final tally, Louisiane preferred 2-1. It's the clear winner.
I like a day that's not cloudy and a tea that's not cloudy. That's why I like Louisiane. Louisiane's got special tea leaves that keep it clear as a bell all day. Now, if you're drinking Lipton or Tetley, look at the box. It tells you what to do when it turns cloudy. Louisiane says nothing about cloudy, 'cause it doesn't get cloudy. Louisiane, the one tea that's always clear as a bell.